Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today we are going to learn how to do Microsoft Word into dark mode. So friend, this is very important and easy tutorial to change your Word software into dark mode. So keep watching. First thing first, we are going to open Word. So press on this window key and then you will get these options. You simply search Word. If you install Word, then this will going to show you. So right now we are going to click on it, and now my Word file is open now. Okay, so Word software is open now. We are going to click on this new Word document. So friend, here you can see that this Word software is showing in light color. Okay, we want to change the color of this Word document into black, and we want to add our text color in white. Okay, so we get the perfect idea about it. So what you will do, first thing first, we are going to click on this file menu and then click on this my account. Okay, so friend, when you click on it, then you will get this option, right? We want to first change the color, right? So here friend, you will see this office background. Here you can see the office theme. Now we are going to change this theme with black. Okay, when we click on it, then you can see that my Word document is showing in black color. Okay, and here friend, if I'm typing something, then you can see that my page is also black and my font is in white color. So friend, by this way you can change your Word software into dark mode. If you want to do a regular Word, then you can, what you will do, again click on this file tab, then click on this account, and now we are going to do dark gray, right? Here you can see that this is dark gray color, and let's see how this looks. So friend, here you can see that this is the dark gray color. So friend, this is a tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can change your Word document software into dark mode. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answers. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.